Hello viewers, welcome, and I am greeting you all for coming to watch my video. Today in this video I am going to share with you the second part of the story The Beauty and the Beast, about what the first part of the same has been uploaded, and now the second part is going to be elaborated by me through this video. Hope that you will definitely like this video. So I am hoping for concentration from you all who are watching this video, that you all are going to watch or enjoy this video with a great deal of concentration. Without concentration, it is quite impossible for each of us to understand anything or any specific what we are doing or what we are wishing to do. So let's get started for the second part of the story The Beauty and the Beast. The merchant, let's get a receipt or let's have a look what happened at the ending or at the conclusion of the first part. We know that the merchant was about to leave in the morning, and he was going to pluck a rose from the garden of the beast, and as soon as he was going to pluck the rose, a hideous or ferocious beast or extremely ugly beast got encountered the merchant and told him that you are taking away my most precious possession after accepting my hospitality. Last night you were shelterless and hungry. I gave you all these type of facilities, and you spent the night at my place. You must die for your conduct. This was the ending of the first part. Now, what happened after this? The merchant was afraid that the beast is going to eat him alive, so he means the merchant was asking for forgiveness to the beast, and telling him that please forgive me, I will not do anything wrong after this. Please forgive me again. I will not pluck the flower from your garden. Then he means the merchant also added that I plucked the rose from your garden because Belle my daughter Belle requested me or wanted or desired a rose from me, that which usually not found in my country. So I am plucking this particular rose or crucial rose from your garden. After listening to what the merchant said to the beast thought for a while, and told him or recommended or suggested him that fine, you can take the rose for Belle, but you must have to return to my castle. Otherwise, if you don't want to return to my castle, then your youngest daughter must come to stay with me in this castle. The merchant thought, and the merchant was upset and accepted this condition because there was no substitute or any alternative which can be implemented by the merchant. So he think it is suitable, or it is quite good for him. The merchant was given food and fine clothes for his daughters on his way. At the time of returning from his castle, the merchant the merchant upon arriving home Rajiv the merchant the merchant upon arriving home tried to hide the cigarette from Belle, but Belle stressed it. But Belle pried it from him and willingly went to the castle of the beast. I forgot to tell you one thing, that the beast also stressed or strictly or strongly told or or suggested or claimed the merchant that your daughter Belle must return to my castle of her own accord. When Belle went to the castle of the merchant, the beast received her graciously and told her, you are the mistress of the castle and I am your servant. By the way, this is the second part of the story which I have elaborated I don't know how I am I am success sorry how I am successful in making you all understand about the second part. So hope you all like this video and the second part which I have elaborated or explained. By the way, we are going to encounter each other very soon in the third part of this story. The story is quite longer. There are lots of stories in my mind which I think it will be good or it will be very interesting or fascinating if I elaborate. So everything will come slowly, but everything will come slowly. It can take much. It can take time, but those stories will be elaborated by me or explained by me through through videos. Okay. Meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care of yourself. It is, you know why I am hesitating, because it is the time of evening and now I have to return to my return to my room, and there are some responsibilities or duties which must be performed after after the disconnecting of this video. So meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care of yourself. Thank you all again for staying with me till the ending. Goodbye.